headlight out. So I think what we're gonna do is keep changing headlights out on this thing, and I've pretty much, at least all the daily drivers have been switched over to LED headlights, and this has kind of been the last one I'm holding out on. So what we got is a set of Beamtech, I think these are H11 if I remember right. Yeah, H11 LED headlights, and we're going to install these. What I've been using in the past, I think, is Sylvania. We'll pull one out and see, but I've been replacing them, probably once a year, but it's sooner than that. This thing gets driven a lot, in early morning and evening, so headlights are on pretty much all the time, and so it goes through headlight bulbs. I mean, I'm not complaining about the length of time that the halogens have lasted. They're, they are what they are. So, but tired of replacing bulbs, so we're gonna go with some LED headlights, and these are pretty easy to change out, and I'll show you how to do them real quick. So over here on your passenger side, over near the windshield washer bottle, you look over here, you've got your high beam right here, and then low beam is right here. And so what you're going to do is just twist it. Always forget which way. And you can unplug them. Bumped the light and it came back on. I guess we'll unplug them before we pull them out. Just pinch connector here and they just unplug. What'll happen with these bulbs, it wasn't a loose connection or anything, but what happens is the filament will burn out. The filament will burn out in a spot, and you can tap them, and what happens is that filament will touch back together, and that arching, it'll reconnect it temporarily, but they'll go back out really quick. Yeah, these are Sylvania. I think they were some brighter than stock ones, probably why they're burning out quickly. Again, no complaints with the length of time. So here's our new ones. These are a fanless design. I prefer the LED headlights to fanless design. I don't like listening to the fan noises, and eventually I feel like those fans quit working anyway, so I figure might as well just go with the heatsink design. You're going to go in about this position, and then just turn it down and plug it in. Very simple. If you were going to do the high beams, there again, like I said, right here, right there's your high beam. It's the same process. I'm only doing the low beams for now. So yeah, I'll show you the other side. Sun's kind of messing with us. You can see that blue spot in the middle of your screen. I'm trying to shine my flashlight in here to get a little bit of light. The sun, the way the sun's coming in, it's just kind of washing out this area over here. I'll try to fix it if I can in editing, but you can see we've got our light right here. It's gonna be the same process. We're gonna just pinch it, and it's just right behind the fuse box. It's a little tighter fit over here. You can kind of get a finger in to push on the connector, the clip, and then just push the light down, or the connector down, and then again just rotate it. It was like this, and we rotated it, pulled it out. So we'll put the other one in and rotate to install it. So this bulb is a good one, but it'll probably go out soon. And I'm going to take this one, put it in the same angle, about like that, and then rotate down. Quick and easy. There they are, and I will show y'all what they look like at night. All right, so here we are, nighttime, and it's actually been a few weeks since I did the install. Just kept forgetting to make a video at night to show off the headlights. So we've had some drive time with these lights to kind of get impressions of them, where these bulbs. I like them. They're definitely a big improvement. Can see very well without blinding. That's always my goal in doing the LED upgrades. I do not want to be that guy that is blinding every car that's coming towards me. I want to be able to see well, but not blind oncoming drivers. And I think I've accomplished that with these bulbs in this car. You can see there. This is kind of my test area for bulb upgrades, I guess you could say, because I feel like at a angle here you can kind of see how the light cast, straight on close up, and then if you want to look how it casts to the sides, you can kind of see that, but you can also see in the distance what it looks like. So right over there is about what our right headlight is casting at. So you can see we're still getting good coverage over there. And the closer up, of course, is good coverage. Up against the white fence, you can see that these are a white LED. There's not a tint to them. It's truly a white light. That's what I prefer on LED lights. Either a white or a yellowish. I do not like the blue. I don't think the blue does well in rain and fog. To me, it's just hard to see with them in those conditions. The white, to me, I like the white. It's personal preference. Yellow is probably a little better in fog than the white, but yeah, just general driving, I prefer the white. Again, personal preference. So that's it. I'll put a link in the description. To me, these are good quality bulbs. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.